Hi, I'm Bonnie. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making mast-o-khiar, which is a popular Persian side dish. It literally means yogurt and cucumber. It's close relative to tzatziki, I guess if you know tzatziki. You know, when you typically have Persian stews or Persian rice dishes, you'll have something on the side. And typically that is a yogurt or a yogurt with something in it. Most of the time it's fancied up for special occasions. So there's a little bit of decorating going on with rose petals and dill and walnuts and raisins. It's made with yogurt, cucumber, those are the main ingredients. And then we're gonna add in some fresh garlic. And then for decoration, we're gonna do some rose petals, some dill, some walnuts, and some raisins. And then of course, we're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, so we're gonna take our yogurt and we're gonna put it in our bowl. I have about 2 cups of yogurt here. I like to use Greek yogurt because the liquid from the cucumbers will thin out the yogurt. So if you try to use regular yogurt, it's gonna get pretty thin. Next, we're gonna grate up our cucumber. We're gonna chop off the ends here. Then we're gonna grate our cucumber and we're just gonna use a regular grater. This is why I use seedless cucumbers, because if I were to grate this with a regular cucumber, I'd have seeds all over the place. Now we're gonna take our mound of cucumbers and put it right in the bowl. All right, now we're going to put in our garlic. Fresh garlic is an amazing ingredient to use in this dish. I'm gonna use 1 clove for 2 cups of yogurt. It's a pretty big clove, actually. So if you have smaller cloves, you might want to add 2. Again, if you're sensitive to garlic, you can use garlic powder, but it is going to change the flavor. I'm just going to go ahead and grate it very finely so you don't get a big chunk of garlic in your mouth. Just grate that right over the cucumbers. If you are sensitive to garlic, you can always use garlic powder. It's going to change the flavor, but then you don't have to deal with the side effects of eating fresh garlic. All right. That's about all I'm gonna get. All right, now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of salt, maybe a little bit more salt, and then put some pepper in there. And then we're gonna give it a nice stir. The other thing I really like using a seedless cucumber is because you can keep the skin on, and it just adds that much more color to this already beautiful dish. Oh my gosh, this smells so delicious. So now we're just gonna flatten out the top so we can decorate it with our rose petals and our dill and our raisins and walnuts. So this is the traditional way to decorate mast-o-khiar. So first we have our rose petals. They're nice and finely ground up. And then we're gonna go ahead and just make a little line here. Wow, that was pretty good. I don't usually do it that good. And then we're gonna make another little line here. I have ground rose petals here. You can buy them at any Middle Eastern store. See how pretty that is? All right, and then we're gonna take our dill and then we're going to sprinkle it around the edges. Oh, well, there's a bunny. All right, sprinkle it around the edges and give it a little border. I use dried dill, but you can use fresh dill if you want to. The dill really adds a nice flavor too. All right, and next we're gonna do the raisins. I absolutely love raisins in my mast-o-khiar. And that wasn't a very good one, but we're gonna go over here and just border that with the raisins. And next we're going to add our walnut halves. So we're gonna add those right over here, stay symmetrical, and gotta find a nice one. There we go. All right, and there we have our mast-o-khiar all decorated, ready for entertaining. High in protein, low carb, very healthy. Enjoy entertaining with this dish. For more information on recipes and low carb cooking, visit my website, dietitianfordiabetes.com.